go for your best friend's wedding but you haven't decided on a makeup look yet? Well, I've got you covered. Hi guys, I'm Simi and today I'm going to show you a long-lasting, elegant makeup look that you can wear if you're attending a wedding this season as a bridesmaid. So let's get started. Step number 1, prep your skin. So the best way to get naturally glowing skin without having to use a lot of makeup is to start your skin prep at least 2 to 3 weeks before attending any occasion. So start using a night cream because our skin repairs and heals faster during the night. I like using this cream which has vitamin B3. This cream helps me in getting that naturally radiant glowing skin. Apply it all over your face and neck. And gently blend in using circular upwards motion. And then I just like to layer on a few drops of argan serum for that deeply nourishing glow. So do this for about 2 to 3 weeks and your skin will look fresh and glowy. Step 2. Prep your base. Start by moisturizing your face, which will make your skin hydrated and fresh. And then go ahead with a primer that creates a smooth skin surface to prep for your makeup application. Next, I'm applying this foundation which blends in effortlessly and stays on for long hours right to the end of the dancing. Don't we all want that? Now, dot your face with some foundation and starting from the center of your face, brush outwards for an even and flawless coverage. So once that's done, I'll apply a concealer as I have dark circles and on my problematic areas to cover them up. You can totally skip this step if you have a good skin and no under eye problem. Apply it in a V shape from under the eye and dot it on your scars if any. Make sure you blend it well. And then I'll end it with a finishing powder. So using a small fluffy brush, powder it all over your face to make your foundation last as long as possible. And that finishes off my base. Step 3, eye makeup. And now for the eyes, I'm opting for a subtle yet classic look and I'm going for this palette which has all the warm, beautiful shades which are perfect for this wedding occasion. I'm using dark mocha all over my eyelid to create a romantic smoky eye look. And now using the orange from the same palette as a transition color to add some softness. And then I'm using a hint of pink on the center of my eye to complete my overall look. Today, I will be using a kajal in place of an eyeliner. So create a very thin line close to your lash line and using a smudging brush, gently smudge it out. And you can repeat the smudging on your lower lash line as well. So for fluttery lashes, mascara is a must. Apply it both on your lower and upper lash line. And now for the final step, I'm going to be filling in my brows. Step number 4, apply blush. So blush is really very important for your face to amp up the look. It makes your cheeks look nice and rosy. Soft pink, peach, cranberry or light coral are some of the shades that you can opt for. Step 5, apply lipstick. Pink, rose and berry lip colors are pretty and timeless. So choose a lip color according to your outfit and apply it precisely. So I'm using this color which has an intense payoff and will last me all day. And it is transfer proof as well. So you can sip on some water without having to worry about it getting transferred. It literally has all the benefits I'm looking for in a matte lipstick. Avoid nude and beige lip colors because they tend to look really washed out in photographs. And that's it guys, it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe to Be Beautiful channel. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!